Okay, students, now we are going to discuss about temperatures. Okay, students, sometimes we have shivering or sweating. We feel shivering or sweating, isn't it? So one time when it is cold outside, that time we have to feel shivering. So sometimes when it is hot outside, isn't it? So that times we go to feel sweating, isn't it? So okay, this is only reason for temperatures. So the temperature of our body varies at the time we feel shivering or sweating. So when the temperatures varies in our body, that times we feel shivering or sweating. Clear? So what is temperature? This temperature is related with movement of atoms. So what is atoms? All substance have atoms. Okay, so the movement of atoms, for example, the atoms are moving faster. At the times the temperatures will increase in our bodies. Okay, so if the atoms are moving slowly, that times the temperature will also drop. Clear? So this is the various of temperatures. It is the movement of atoms. The movement of atoms is called as kinetic energies. So what is kinetic energy? The kinetic energy is movement of atoms of the particles. Clear? So what is temperatures? When asked what is temperature, what we say? The measurement of warmness or coldness of a substance is known as temperatures. Okay, what is temperature? What do we say? The measurement of warmness or coldness of a substance is known as its temperatures. Students, this is a 2-mark questions. All of you note these points. Okay, so okay. Now we are going to see about temperature units of temperatures. Clear? The temperature have 3 units. How many units? 3 units. Okay, so that is, one is degree Celsius, second one is Fahrenheit, and third one is Kelvin. Okay, first one is degree Celsius. The degree Celsius we should write this like degree Celsius. Then how to read? The read as degree. For example, 20 degrees Celsius right here, written here. So how to read? It is a read as 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, so Celsius is otherwise called as centigrade. So Celsius is otherwise called as centigrade. The name of the Celsius otherwise called as centigrade. Okay, second one is Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit is written as this like. Okay, so for example, written here 25 degree Fahrenheit. How to read? Read as 25 degree Fahrenheit. Clear? So third one is Kelvin. Kelvin is written as K. K is simple of Kelvin. Clear? So for example, 100 Kelvin written here. How to read? The read as 100 Kelvin. Okay, students, listen here. The degree and Fahrenheit have this mark of degree. This mark of degree. Clear? But the Kelvin does not have any degree mark. We don't write degree mark for Kelvin. So why the Kelvin is SI unit of temperature. The Kelvin is SI unit of temperature. Clear? Thank you, students. See you in the next class.